welcome back to another new videos and LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing, or I will be giving an introduction to section 498A of the Indian Penal Code. Okay, in this video we will be discussing the nature of this section, the essential ingredients, the punishment. Okay, punishment of the crime referred to in section 498A. Now let's start this video. As we all know, gender-based violence is no secret in India. There are instances of women facing violence from their husbands or their in-laws that have become a common phenomenon in India. Okay, in such a scenario, the criminal law of the India or this nation must not only punish the wrongdoer or the offender who has committed this crime, but the criminal law also protect the victim from such incidences or such events. Okay, now we will know what this section says. Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code deals with the provisions of cruelty to a woman by her husband or relative of husband. So this section deals with the cruelty to a woman by her husband or relative of husband. This section says, whoever, any person, being the husband, be it the husband or the relative of the husband of a woman, subjects such woman or subjects his wife to cruelty or harassment or torture, either mental or physical, then that person shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. The person who commits this crime shall be punished with imprisonment for a period which may extend to 3 years, and that person shall also be liable for fine. Okay. So here in this case, who is the victim? The victim is the wife. Who is the offender or the wrongdoer in this case, or the person who commits the crime? The husband or relative of the husband. And what is the punishment? The punishment is imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and a fine. Okay. Now there are certain explanations given under this section, and these explanations are regarding the meaning of the term cruelty. This explanation says, first point, any willful conduct which is of such a nature as is likely to drive the woman to commit suicide. In this point, the person or the husband treats the woman in such a harsh manner or harasses the woman that is likely to drive the woman to commit suicide, or these harassment or torture can cause grave injury or danger to life, limb or health, either mental or physical, of the woman. Second point, harassment of the woman where such harassment is with a view, with a reason to forcing her to meet any unlawful demand of property or any other valuable security or valuable property. The second point is regarding the meeting of any unlawful demand for any property. Okay. Now we will discuss the essentials of section 498A. Section 498A is the only section in the Indian Penal Code 1860 that recognizes domestic violence against women as a crime. For this section to apply, there are certain conditions that must be met. The conditions are, first, the woman against whom such harassment or torture is being done should be a married woman. This provision was added to protect wives and female relatives from abusive treatment at the hands of their husband or male relatives. Second point, that women must have experienced either brutality or harassment or torture. The term cruelty can refer to a wide variety of behaviors. To demand a dowry is harsh in and of itself. We will discuss what the term cruelty covers under this section 498A in the next video. And the third point, such brutal harassment should have been demonstrated by either the spouse, the husband, or the husband's family, if not both. Okay, now we will discuss the nature of offense. What is the nature of the offense under section 498A? The first point is cognizable. What is cognizable offense? Cognizable offenses are those offenses where the police can arrest the offender or the wrongdoer without any warrant being issued by the court. So here, the cases reported under section 498A are cognizable if the information related to the commission of the crime or the offense is given to the officer. Second point is, or the second nature is non-bailable. The offense under section 498A is non-bailable in nature. That means the magistrate can refuse bail and send the accused to court or police custody without the need for a bail hearing. And the third point is non-compoundable. The offense under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code is non-compoundable. That means the case cannot be settled outside the court, with the exception of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, where the latter charge had recently been rendered compoundable. So here in this video we have discussed the nature of this offense under section 498A, the essential ingredients of this offense, as well as the punishment. In the next video we will discuss the term cruelty. What does it include, and with case laws. So if you have understood this video and have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And if you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. For then, stay safe. Thank you.